Leave it to me. Oh.
It's shocking how much work there is to do. And she's been handling it alone all along. Huh? You're...
Aren't you Ningguang's servants? How come you're here?
We are Miss Ningguang's private...
Have you seen Miss Ganyu? It has been several days.
They commissioned Ganyu as their envoy to deliver a letter to Julian Karst and bring the Adepta. Still, Ganyu should have been back to her...
Is that so? Maybe Ganyu just took...
I'm afraid it's not very lucky. Even when it's time for her annual leave, Miss Ganyu, she couldn't possibly be using her mission as an...
Oh, Paimon!
It's when we first heard the three of us would be taking over, we couldn't have imagined that Miss Ganyu's daily work...
Speaking of Julian...
Of course! We've been there...
that's good news. We're saved.
It's about time she...
No, perhaps we should go to Lady Ningguang.
So Ganyu left to visit Cloud Retainer. Does it...
You two. I did not expect to meet you here. I shouldn't. I have left...
Huh? You don't want to be...
That's why you're here? You want me to come back? I'm afraid you came here in vain.
What? Did something happen?
The clouds fold and unfold. When the Adepti entrusted humans with my Adepti blood... I delivered the letter. Perhaps that mission of mine was just a pretext to remove me. I appreciate your kind after 1,000 years away.
But...
Who disturbs the peace?
Cloud Retainer? We're terrible.
One merely jests. One felt...
Wow, you...
Come here to chat about the old times with Ganyu. A matter leaves you at an impasse then. Not to worry. One is exceptional at seeking avenues for yes. Since you are gone...
Oh, Cloud Retainer.
Nothing to be ashamed of.
Oh, Paimon wants to hear...
Little when one was still taking care...
Wow.
Plump she was back then. Why... The day Ganyu bumped into a pilgrim, so fearful she was.
Cloud Retainer? Forget it. It's about time for my training. I will take my leave.
One's intention was merely...
And you did the exact opposite.
Be that so? But returning to Ganyu, one cannot help but feel that one will tell you more about... Most benevolent among all Adepti are the Qilin. They drink only spring water and eat only whole grain. But perhaps the mountainous dwellings of Adepti in Julian Karst might be too lonely for her human side. Under moonlight did one see her last. She stood by the precipice's edge, and upon the mist-veiled mountains she gazed. Her thin figure was immersed in the vast sea of clouds. One noticed her loneliness, and sought to convince her to go back to the human world. But, just then, she said thus.
Liyue Harbor feels even lonelier than Julian Karst. When I look at the sea of clouds in Julian Karst, I merely feel the loneliness of a solitary cloud gazer. When I step into the sea of people in Liyue, I feel the loneliness of an inhuman that doesn't belong in the human world.
One did, by chance, hear this much of Ganyu's thoughts. Alone, she will find her predicament hard to conquer.
Oh, Retainer's right. We can't leave Ganyu depressed like that. But anyways, what's that training Ganyu was talking...
She has sought to reclaim her Adeptus side since returning to Julian Karst.
She should be in the southern part of Mount Outsan.
Huh, is that so? Let's go take a look at it. So here you are.
Why did you come here? Considering...
Yay!
This trial was prepared by... The training is much to her signature.
Is it different?
No, I'm aware of your strength, Traveler. If you're ready. If you could see through the eyes of an Adeptus, you wouldn't be so surprised. Next on the agenda... We've completed the task, I agree.
Ganyu, what were you...
The training's not over yet.
Huh? So there are more trials?
No,
Who is it?
Conqueror of Demons.
Huh. So it's Shell.
I found him. He's already waiting.
Of course we...
You're half an hour late. I see you still haven't a big.
I'm sorry.
I don't need your
Shell is such a...
You're neither an adept. Instead of
I have nothing to hide.
the body and the trial I've prepared for you will explore the
Yes. I'm...
The trial's begun! I can feel it in the air. Even the wind has changed.
This moment will be frozen in time. What's the hurry? Cool it.
Access denied.
Don't push your luck.
All hail.
Oh, so sorry.
Shiver! Torn to oblivion! Born of ice and frost. Blaze over. No touching. There is no escape. Now you shall perish.
Don't get frostbite. Freeze. Cool it.
All hail. Shine down. You can't run. Yeah. Torn to oblivion.
Oh, so sorry.
There is no escape.
Leave it up to me, as a good knight should.
Access denied. This is long overdue. No touching.
Lights out.
This moment will be frozen in time. Freeze.
I've completed your trial.
You don't have to report back to me. Only you can have.
Xiao always has such strong opinions.
From tomorrow on.
I have to do what?
Another one of those pesky visitors. I'll leave him to you, Ganyu. It's all.
Pesky visit?
Oh heavens! Blessed be Rex Lapis! I finally come upon the adept. Are all of you the adept? Great! My name's Sinjung.
Oh, so it's a pilgrim.
Perfect! I didn't come in. What blessings can you grant me?
Wow, straight to the...
Dear pilgrim.
For free?
That's not what I meant. What I'm trying to say is that it will unfair.
Hold on. I've heard this all before. You're just like my old man.
Your father must have experienced it firsthand. A person of your age should focus on work and
Are
family.
you a real Adeptus? You sure you're not one of those swindlers who... Nah, enough. Doesn't matter if you're a real
Nobody's... Ganyu, don't...
I thought that but being questioned by him made me, but...
It's true! Just...
alright. I'll go if I'm proven right. I'll return.
It's a step in the right direction. Let's go!